Hello, this is Roger Tyler. I'm here with the Excel PowerPoint class, just giving you more of a tutorial, if you will. So we're starting Excel Chapter 1. Let me show you what I'm going to be looking for. Please make a copy of these Google Sheets so that you can work on them. So for instance, it's going to pop open something like this. And if you have to, go up here to Open, because we're going to open it with Google Sheets. If you were here at school, we'll download it and go to Excel, but since we're doing online, if you'll notice, I have a little bit of instructions. You're just typing this up for me on a Google Sheets, okay? So when you're done with it, share it with me at rtyler@bcsd5.org. Please type your name here, so your first and last name here. So how do I make a copy of that? That's a very good question. You go up to the ribbon here, click on File. You're going to make a copy, and then you're going to put your first name here in front of the copy. So just click down there, put your name in there, and then you'll say OK. It'll copy one for you. But really what I'm looking for you to do is type that up. And because this is kind of new to you, one thing you need to know is the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, these are columns, okay? So if I was to click, that's a column. And if I click on row 1, that is a row. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to infinity and beyond, these are rows. And usually you read it like A1. So if I tell you, it'll say make A1 active, you just go right here. This is the A1. You're just typing in what you see. So that's not too bad. Now I'm going to click off of this, and I'm going to click off of this, and I'm going to click off of this. And then we're going to go back to project number 2, because you're doing project 1, 2, and 3. It's going to be due by the 23rd of this week. Notice here, we're going to open this up in Google Sheets. One of the things that you're going to find out, I tell you exactly what to do. You're going to type in B1 January and grab the bottom right hand corner and drag it to G1, but you're going to make the copy of it first. So let's go and make a copy. So go to File, go to Make a Copy. Again, you're going to put your first and last name here. You're going to say OK. So there's your copy of it. Let me do that. And then let me minimize. Let me get rid of this because that's the original. So I tell you what to do in each thing. This is kind of, you're going to really like this. This is a nice feature of Excel. So you're going to type January in B1. So when you do that, then you're going to grab this. You're going to hold down your mouse. I'm grabbing the right hand corner and I'm going to drag it across. As I drag it across, you'll notice it will go January, February, March, April, June, and it stops. And then in A2, I want to type in year 1. So let me do that here. I'm going to have to pull my keyboard up here. Year 1. And then I hit enter. And then in this next one, I'm going to type in year 3. Now here's the reason why I'm doing that, because I want to go odd numbers. So I grab a hold of that. You see that I'm highlighting that too? And then I grab the bottom right hand corner and I go down and voila. Oh, it did not do what I wanted it to do. So I didn't do that right. Good thing we did that wrong. So let me go back here. It should have not done that. It should have said year 5. So see, I'm glad we did that. So I grab this and I gotta grab it. That's what I gotta do. Grab them, I gotta undo, Control Z. So I grab, here we go. So I highlight both of them, okay? And then it should, yeah, it's not working for me, but what's supposed to happen is, so I'm going to have to figure that one out before we do it. Anyway, year 1 and 2, you grab a hold of them, grab the right-hand corner down, and this which should happen for you, okay? I'm not sure why it wasn't working right, but anyway, then let's see here. You're going to type in B6. So this is equals sum B2 to B5, okay? So that's B2, okay, B2 to B5. That's down here, okay? So B2 to B5. So I type that in here. Then anytime we do a formula, we do equals, okay? Equals. And look what it does. It gives me a suggestion. I'm going to go ahead and take the suggestion, and I'm going to hit enter. Now you're really going to like this part. This part, I can grab the bottom of it, and I drag it across, and voila. There it goes. And then I don't have to do it for each one, which is really nice. Now, for this one asks for an average. So I type in B14, so I put equals. Now I want an average, so I'm going to do it. So if anytime I start a formula, I want to start out with equals, and then I type in average. Now look, there's stuff that comes up, and I can pick from it, okay? So I want to pick average, and then it kind of prompts me. I'm going to beginning of parentheses, okay? Beginning of parentheses. I'm going to do B10, okay? Through, so colon, B13. And then in the parentheses, then I'm going to hit enter, and voila. And you know what I'm going to do next. I'm going to bring that over, and then it's going to be there. Now, when I get down here, I'm going to make sure that you type your name. And down here, it's saying, please make a copy of the above. Now, that's done, and then you can send it to rtyler@bcsd5.org. Now I'm going to stop.